and welcome to a brand new episode of Follow the Blues. We are coming to you from the misty mountains of Dharamshala, the venue for the first T20 international to be played between India and South Africa. And as we've always promised you, wherever the Blues go, we follow. We have a cracker of a show lined up for you today, an exclusive chat with Captain Fearless Virat Kohli and Coach Ravi Shastri. We're also taking our young gun Rishabh Pant back to school so that he can relive some of his favourite memories from his school years. And of course, we've spoken to Shreyas Iyer, Shikhar Dhawan and Kagiso Rabada about squaring off in this upcoming India versus South Africa series. Plenty for you on this show. Let's first tell you what's on today's episode. 15th. With the ICC World T20 just about a year away, it is time for the Indian think tank and Captain Virat Kohli to chart out a roadmap for success on just how to bring that World Cup back home. We caught up with Captain Fearless Virat Kohli and Coach Ravi Shastri to find out from them how India is preparing for Mission 2020 and also just how prepared are our Blues to face the South African challenge. And this is what they had to say. After the completion of a successful tour in the West Indies, the Blues are back and raring to go against South Africa in a 3-match T20 international series. But since their return, the Blues have been quite busy. Right from the launch of Team India's brand new jersey to the inauguration of the Virat Kohli stand, let's take you through everything that the Blues have been up to.
Very valuable.
The biggest season of cricket kicks off with a 3-match T20 international series that India will play against South Africa here at home. And this is the first of many such series that Virat Kohli and the Blues will play before the start of the ICC World T20 in Australia next year. So just what do Team India have to do to counter the South Africa threat? Let's find out. So just how did Captain Fearless Virat Kohli and company prepare for the Rabada threat right here in Dharamshala? Let's take a look. It's time now for a short break on Follow the Blues, but you don't go anywhere because on the other side, looking to make his mark against South Africa is young Rishabh Pant. He is the first choice wicketkeeper batsman for the shortest as well as the longest format for Team India in this series. But ahead of the South African challenge, we took Rishabh Pant back to school for him to relive some of his favourite school memories. The younger Chahar brother Rahul has been selected as part of Team India squad ahead of Kuldeep Yadav and Yuzvendra Chahal. So we caught up with India's newest spin sensation to find out 5 things that we may not know about him and also the story of his tattoos. Well, that's all we have for you on this episode of Follow the Blues. As always, do not forget to tweet out using hashtag Follow the Blues to send us some love. And as we sign off, we're going to leave you with some fans of the Indian cricket team here in Dharamshala professing their undying love and support for this side. From Dharamshala to Mohali, now to Bengaluru. We've told you wherever your Blues go, we follow. Welcome to a brand new episode of Follow the Blues. I am Sanjana Ganeshan coming to you straight from Bengaluru. We have plenty lined up on this episode for you. We bring to you Virat Kohli's take on young Rishabh Pant. We'll talk about Mission 2020. We'll tell you what your favourite Blues have been up to here in Bangalore. And we'll also relive some memories from the ICC World T20 2007 with Yuvraj Singh. Plenty on this show for you. First up, let's take you through what's on today's show. With the ICC T20 World Cup just about a year away, all eyes will be on young Rishabh Pant, who hasn't quite lived up to our expectations of him just yet. The 21-year-old wicketkeeper batsman, who was the first choice for the South Africa series, hasn't delivered, but he will have to perform if he wants to cement his position in the T20 squad for Team India before the start of the World Cup. We caught up with Coach Shastri and Captain Fearless Virat Kohli to find out what they had to say about Rishabh Pant and the other newbies in the team, and this is what they had to say. After winning the second match of the series in Mohali, Team India are now in Bengaluru to play the third T20 international against South Africa. But just what have your favourite Blues been up to since they've landed in this garden city? Let's find out. So just how did our favourite Blues prep to take on South Africa here at the iconic Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru? Let's find out on our segment Inside the Nets. It's time now for a short break, but on the other side, we take a walk down memory lane with one of India's finest limited overs batsmen. That's right, Yuvraj Singh relives his memories from the ICC World T20 2007 win. You don't want to miss this? Don't go anywhere. Welcome back. You're watching Follow the Blues, your one-stop shop when it comes to all the updates from your favorite Blues. The date is 22nd September 2007 and it is etched in the memory of every Indian cricket fan.
So that achieved a lot for Indian cricket.
Well, that's all we have for you on this episode of Follow the Blues. As always, do not forget to tweet out using hashtag Follow the Blues to send us some love and prepare to cheer on your favorite Blues as they embark on Mission 2020. For now, this is me, Sanjana Ganeshan, signing off. We hope you enjoyed our episode. Keep watching Star Sports. After tying the 3-match T20 International Series against South Africa, it's time now for a change in color and format for your favorite Blues. Hello and welcome. आप देख रहे हैं Follow the Blues का एक नया बेहतरीन एपिसोड मेरे यानी कि संजना गणेशन के साथ एक ऐसा शो जहां पर हम लेकर आते हैं आपको आपके फेवरेट ब्लूज के बहुत ही ज्यादा करीब। अब भिड़ेगी टीम इंडिया साउथ अफ्रीका के खिलाफ 3-मैच टेस्ट सीरीज में where they will be looking at retaining their #1 spot in the ICC Test rankings. It also will be a time for Virat Kohli to address 3 very important questions, and we're also going to tell you on today's show what have your favorite Blues been up to since the end of the T20 International Series. आज के शो पर हमारे पास है आपके लिए बहुत कुछ खास. First up, what's on the show? At Ranchi. 3-मैच की T20 इंटरनेशनल सीरीज तो खत्म हो चुकी है and now it's time for a change in color and format for Team India. Virat Kohli and the rest of his men in blue will be taking on South Africa in a 3-match test series. Now the challenge here is to retain that #1 spot in the ICC Test rankings. पर इस सीरीज के शुरू होने से पहले कप्तान विराट कोहली को देने होंगे जवाब 3 अहम सवालों का. क्या है ये सवाल? हम आपको बता रहे हैं हमारे सीरीज प्रीव्यू में. It's time for a battle of 2 modern-day greats to take center stage yet again. Virat Kohli versus Steve Smith. Test matches में कौन बनेगा दुनिया का #1 बल्लेबाज? Virat Kohli lost his top spot to Steve Smith after his brilliant century in the 4th Test match of the Ashes. But Captain Virat Kohli has सिर्फ 34 points पीछे so that he can become #1 once again. It's time now to step into the opposition camp to take a look at some of the threats that Team India will need to be wary of before the start of this 3-match test series. और सबसे पहले सामने आते हैं 3 नाम: Kagiso Rabada, Lungi Engedi and Vernon Philander. This test series that Team India will be playing against South Africa at home will be a part of the ongoing World Test Championship that will be played from 2019 all the way to 2021. और अगर आपने कभी सोचा हो कि आखिर World Test Championship है क्या और points table पर Team India के फिलहाल क्या है हाल, don't worry, we have all the scoop for you right here on Follow the Blues. Follow the Blues पर वक्त हो गया है अब एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, but you don't go anywhere because the action continues on the other side. Stay tuned. T20 इंटरनेशनल सीरीज के खत्म होने के बाद हमारे ब्लूज को मिला एक छोटा सा ब्रेक, और इस ब्रेक के दौरान क्या किया हमारे ब्लूज ने और कौन से सुपरस्टार्स visited us here at the Star Sports Studios. We have all the scoop for you right here. Now Team India gearing up to take on South Africa in a 3-match test series. पर Follow the Blues बनता है आप जैसे फैन से, तो हम गए और हमने जाना चाहा कि आपके क्या सेंटिमेंट है टीम इंडिया को लेकर और कैसे करेंगे आप आपके फेवरेट ब्लूज को चीयर. Well, that's all we have for you on this episode of Follow the Blues. हमेशा की तरह अगर आपको हमारा एपिसोड पसंद आया तो do not forget to send us some love using hashtag Follow the Blues. और हाल ही में हुए RPSG Indian Sports Honors Awards, अगर आपने उसको किया मिस तो do not worry because सारा मस्ती और सारा एक्शन ISH से सीधे सीधे हम आपके लिए लेकर आए हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ स्टार स्पोर्ट्स नेटवर्क पर. Enjoy. A victory by a margin of 203 runs in our favorite Blues are now one up in this test match series against South Africa. The match has just ended और जैसे हम आपसे हमेशा वादा करते हैं जहां आपके favorite Blues जाए वहां हम फॉलो करते ही हैं. Follow the Blues के एक नए जबरदस्त एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है. मेरा नाम है संजना गणेशन. आज के शो में ढेर सारा सब कुछ है खास. पहले बता देते हैं आपको What's on today's show. So Team India have won the first Test match against South Africa by a margin of 203 runs. इस जीत से हुए कैप्टन विराट कोहली बहुत ही ज्यादा खुश और हमारे फेवरेट ब्लूज के बारे में क्या था उनका कहना, आइए जानते हैं कैप्टन्स कॉर्नर में। One of the key performers for Team India in the first Test match against South Africa was Rohit Sharma. और टेस्ट मैच शुरू होने से पहले भी लोगों का सिर्फ एक सवाल था, क्या रोहित शर्मा टेस्ट फॉर्मेट में ओपन कर पाएंगे? और इस सवाल का बखूबी जवाब दिया हिटमैन ने 2 बैक-टू-बैक सेंचुरीज के साथ। So just how did the hitman conquer the longest format of cricket? Let's find out. Along with putting on a performance that impressed one and all, the hitman also broke a plethora of records here in Visakhapatnam during the first Test match. So just what are these records that Rohit Sharma has broken? Let's find out. Korea. बल्लेबाजी में रोहित शर्मा का साथ दिया मयंक अग्रवाल ने। Not only did he score his first Test 100, but he also converted and scored his maiden double ton. But the road to this double ton hasn't been easy. So let's understand Mayank Agarwal's journey here today on Follow the Blues. Follow the Blues पर वक्त हो चुका है एक छोटे से ब्रेक का, but you don't go anywhere because on the other side मस्ती और मजा जारी रहेगा. Stay tuned. वेलकम बैक, आप देख रहे हैं फॉलो द ब्लूज, एक ऐसा शो जो लाता है आपको आपके फेवरेट ब्लूज के और भी ज्यादा करीब। ब्रेक से पहले हमने बात की सारे एक्शन की, इंडिया वर्सेस साउथ अफ्रीका के पहले टेस्ट मैच की जो खेला गया यहाँ यानी कि विशाखापट्टनम में। और इस मैच में थे ढेर सारे ऑफ बीट मोमेंट्स भी जिनकी बात हम अब करने वाले हैं, जैसे कि रोहित शर्मा के हरभजन सिंह के लिए स्टंप माइक पे मैसेजेस, विराट कोहली मिले अपने सुपर फैन से और विशाखापट्टनम के स्टेडियम में हुई सिक्सेस की बरसात। टेक अ लुक एट दिस। इंडिया वर्सेस साउथ अफ्रीका के पहले मैच के परफॉर्मर्स की बात की जाए और रविचंद्रन अश्विन का नाम ना ले ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता। He became the fastest Indian to 350 Test wickets in only 66 Test matches. So let's understand what it is about Ravichandran Ashwin that makes oppositions shudder with fear. फॉलो द ब्लूज के इस एपिसोड में हमारे पास है आपके लिए सिर्फ इतना ही। As always, do not forget to tweet out to us using #FollowTheBlues to send us some love. Tell us how much you enjoyed this episode and what you'd like to see on the next episode. And do not forget to cheer for Team India in the second Test match to be played in Pune